Hey traders, this is Vikings Trades coming at you with a beginning of the week update for ES futures market. It's been a good week since I've launched a video, and pretty much all we've done is gone straight down. And we've gone to the liquidity where I thought we were actually going sooner than later. Honestly, I thought we'd get a bounce now. I think everybody thought we were going to get a bounce at the 200 EMA. We did not. We came straight down into liquidity. So we had our first level liquidity here, which we got ate up by the 200 EMA. And then we came down to the next level of liquidity and the gap fill that I was talking about. And I was expecting this to wick down and wick right back up. But we went down and held strong. And so far, we are sticking to these levels. However, I don't feel like this can be sustained much longer. We need some type of pullback here and soon. I don't feel like the more we go down, and I feel the faster we'll go back up. And we've already gone down 9, almost 10%, and that's usually the average pullback, right? So let's go back and measure some. So that's almost 10% on this move. This move here is 10%. Nice little pullback. Prior pullback was 6-7%. And let's go back to July 23. This was a nice pullback of 11%. So, and this is the type of move I was expecting. Pullback, down, pullback, 2 pence up, another pullback, down. And this is what a bear market looks like. It's not just straight down. It never is. And if we do go straight down, it's usually a V-shaped recovery. This is the 2021 bear market. Let's see what we did here. So straight down, 27%. So are we going to see that level straight down? I don't know. Even if we go back to 2020, this is how I feel right now, right? We went straight down to go straight back up. Oh, wrong one tool. Straight down, 30%. This was March 2020, COVID scare, but straight down, right? Weeks at a time. We're right here, right now. And this is 13, 15%. So, in my opinion, I feel like we need a bounce. We need at least some pullback to the EMA. We need something to get more liquidity to go down more. We can't just go down forever without some type of bad global news. World War III or something. And the market probably go up for some announcement like that. We are kind of wicking up here. But we hit the gap fill. We came down and hitting this liquidity here. I feel if we go down any further, we're going to stop at this liquidity level, then have a bounce back up to the EMA, at least the 21 EMA. At least to almost 5,800, 900. We got to get there sooner or later. One thing I did notice, though, with all this extra volume, it looks like there's been a lot of buying all the way down. So if you look down here in the volume, we have a lot of buying on Friday, a lot of buying volume on Wednesday, a lot of volume. Could be profit taking, but I went back and back tested this. Never saw this level of buying done on a drop that's supposed to be the beginnings of a bear market. And that's the narrative, right? Is everybody saying, oh, it's all doom and gloom and we're going to be in the bear market for months and everything. I just don't feel like that's going to happen. I feel like this is just a narrative for people for institution and the rich people to buy while scaring the market. Sell your positions to us. And another way to look at this is the VIX. So I feel like, okay, I think we hit some of the bottom. We're at a EMA for some level of support. We're inside of a fair value gap. We have some liquidity sitting here. So if we do wick down to this news on Thursday or something like that, I feel we're going to bounce up. And if we go to the VIX, you can see the levels that I talked about in my previous videos. I said, hey, we're going to hit this level, probably going to hit this level. And we did. We hit these levels. And I feel that we have broken outside of support of this channel, and we're going to come back down to this side of the channel, which would be honestly V-shaped recovery. So with that said, I feel that in the future we're going to make a U-turn, and I feel like we're going to make a U-turn sooner than later. We have triple witching day next Friday, so we may chop around here for a couple days this week. End of the week, we wick down and then go back up at least to the 21 EMA. I don't feel like this can be sustained for some period of time here, but I think we need more candles to figure out what's going on. But there's definitely some buying going on. I feel like if you want to buy, I would just buy on some strength and sometime soon, in my humble opinion. All right, traders, thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.